Okay, what I have here is a beautiful duck. Look at the crispy skin. I rubbed it with thyme and salt, popped it in the oven just like I would a chicken, slow roasted it. The tortilla that I'm about to make is traditionally made with pork and beef, but I'm gonna mix it up and use this beautiful duck. Oh my goodness, how easy did that come off? I could just eat it like that. Oh my goodness. Duck fat. This is not gonna go to waste either. Ooh, sizzle. You can smell the garlic and the onions, and you know already that that's gonna be a wonderful base for my pie. Cinnamon and clove. Get some fresh thyme. Okay. Whoa, look at that. You can smell the earthiness from the clove and the cinnamon, and the thyme is just so fragrant. So the red wine is going to enhance the flavor of the duck and just make it even more rich and decadent. I've used chicken stock, but you can actually use any stock you like. Got some duck fat that I've always got in the fridge from when I make duck, and I'm gonna use that for my roux to thicken up my filling. All right, that's looking great. Of course, some color, beautiful crunchy peas. Look how creamy that is. And I can smell the wine, I can smell the duck. The duck meat's still breaking apart while it's in the pan, so you know it's gonna be really tender too. Well, that's looking good. Now I'm going to let it cook down a little bit so that all the flavors meld, and then I have to let it cool before I use it in my pie. Okay, I bought this at the store. If you've got time, make your own dough. It is fun, but to save time today, I've got this. But what we do need to do is take the rest of the dough and roll out a top. I think so. Let's be generous with our pie. I think that's good. This is the tricky bit. Hope that the pie top does not crack on me. Ready? Oh, look at that. When you bake pastry or breads or whatever, it's always nice to put an egg wash. It makes it nice and golden. Break that up. Make sure you get all of it, like everywhere. Don't miss anything. Okay, that's all covered. We gotta let some steam out as it cooks so it doesn't puff up and explode on us. So just put 2 little holes right in the middle. I just love baking, and when the smell comes out of the oven, float it over to the oven. In it goes. Wow. I impressed myself. I have to say, if my kids saw that, they'd be in heaven. That is a perfect looking pie, if I must say so. Take a slice out. Oh. Now this is comfort food at its best. It's decadent duck in a red wine gravy and a pie. Who doesn't love a pie? The red wine actually makes it really, really flavorful, really punchy, but it's not overpowering. With the pastry, what a perfect marriage. Mm-hmm.